Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information. Using the correct amount of dishwashing detergent does not create suds, but dish soap does. If suds, bubbles, or soap foam are present when you open your dishwasher, turn off the dishwasher and allow suds to dissipate. Using the wrong type or too much detergent can cause oversudsing. Residual soap from soaking or spraying dishes with dish soap or other pre-washed dish cleaners can cause excess suds in the dishwasher. Pre-washing the dishes before adding them to the dishwasher is not necessary. Just scrape off leftover food from the dishes. Dishwashers are designed so that pre-washing dishes is unnecessary. To get rid of the suds, follow these instructions. Stop the dishwasher immediately. Cancel the wash cycle. Clean up any overflow. Do not let water sit and seep into cabinets or floorboards. Remove dishes from the dishwasher. Add 1/4 cup of vegetable oil or other cooking oil to the bottom of the dishwasher. Run a quick or shorter wash cycle with no detergent or dishes. The added oil will suppress the suds and help flush the soap through the dishwasher. Another option is to use a 1/4 cup of vinegar to suppress the suds, then pour a bucket or pitcher of water into bottom of dishwasher and select the Drain Cancel button to help flush the soap through the dishwasher. If suds are still present, repeat the above steps. Always refer to the use and care guide and use only dishwasher detergent that indicates on the bottle. It can be used inside the dishwasher.